another person, or maybe you want to add a comment to an existing page, just go and click and add comments. When you click and add comments, you have the same kind of interface, and you can type here, this is my comment, and you can add whatever you want in here, and also you can change the look and feel or whatever. You can add different format to your comment, and then you post your comment, and that comment is going to be added, as you can see, to this page. Now, you can also, let's say you're interested in this discussion, you like this page, and you want to be sure if any person had a comment or is modified for other members of the community, you want to be sure you receive a notification. In order to do that, you go Tools, and you say watch this page in here. When you select that item, you're going to be watching this page, and you can stop watching. Also, you can manage the how you want to do it when you receive an email. But after you select that option of watching the page, you're going to be receiving notifications anytime when the page is received. You can manage those or change it. I think also if you go to your settings, see, if you go into your settings on the watch, you see the list of the pages or spaces you are following, and you are still part of on the space here, vxCPRS forum. This applies to the global, but you can see how you can manage your point of interest into the system. If you go to the forum, you see that your page is added on the list of the forum. This refresh or index of the system takes about like 2 minutes after you post the page. The system is reindexing every 2 minutes is reindexing, and you're going to see the page there after 2 minutes. But maybe your question is why your page is not on top, because that was the last page you added. The difference is this small icon here. This icon means it's on a sticky note. And let's say you want to be sure that your page is not pushed down into the system because your topic is very important for the community. You can modify that by going Tools, Make Sticky. If you make your page sticky, that means your page is going to be always on top. It's an extra feature of the forum functionality. And if I add, this is going to be refreshed maybe in a couple of minutes. But then if we add new pages, are going to be added after this page that you have already there. Okay, at this point I presented to you the idea of the wiki page. I presented to you the idea of the space. Now, I would like to explain to you the difference between a wiki page or a blog post. When I will add a blog post, you will see it's the same structure, just with one difference, and I will show you right now. Let's say you are here in the blog post. You can add, that's add page. You can add any page here or on the forum directly. And I will say I will add a blog post. It's a new version of vxCPRS that we're going to release. As you can see, it's the same layout, and this is a new vxCPRS blog post. You have the title, a new version is released, your content, your label, and here you will see the difference. This is the posting day. That's when the blog post is going to be posted. And basically, this is the only difference you have with the regular wiki page. You can use the same help tips, you can use wiki markup, whatever, and when you save it, it's going to be added to the vxVistACPRS space, but it's going to be attached to a calendar. I will save this. And see, this is the calendar where you can see this the post, your content, In this case, the title is added here of your post. And you can see all the blogs posts from this list. See, this is your blog post is not going to show up until the system reindex, but this is another post that we were posting, and you can see all the blogs there. This is from some of the DSS team, Anthony Emanuel. He did the blog post also attaching a picture as part of the content of the blog post, and you can see all the components there. In the way you can access them to all the posts, and you can just from this list, you can just go to the specific page of that post, and then you can add a comment. Just add a comment here to that if you agree or disagree or whatever. You're adding content then. And let me show you also what happened. We have comments of the comments. This is the comment one. I will post this one. And you can see the indentation. This is kind of the first one. You can reply to this one, what I will do right now. This is a reply to comment one. And you can see the difference. And what we'll do right now is add a comment two to the original post. And this is how the interaction in the community is going to look like. They have a comment to this post, but also a person made a comment to his comment or replay, and then you have another comment to the original post. And that way you can see you have different indentation for different contents. In that way you can follow the discussion and presentation. You have the choice to hide your comments, or you can collapse the comments if you want. Now, maybe you're thinking, wow, that's interesting the way he did it, just pasting the picture. And let's see, I will show some different idea how he did it. What he did was, when he was editing the page, see this one here, this is just one file that he added using this icon. He inserted an image there. What I will do is just go back to our vxVista CPRS blog post. This is a new vxCPRS blog post. Here is in the list. And let's say I would like to add a picture, image to this one. I will say edit again. And I will click in this icon. If I'm in preview mode, I will click in this icon. And then you can drop image here, or you can just choose a file. You find your file on your computer. And what I will do is I will enter one I call bags. Just one second. As an example. Say this is my picture. I will say insert. I can select if I want to align on the center or right. If I want to add a thumbnail and a border. If I click on insert, and I will save it. And you can see right now, this was the picture I was showing to the support department, the problems we were having with the blog post. And this is just, if you go to the attachment of this page, tools, attachment, you will see this document attached there. And here it is. You can see all the labs, and you can also attach more documents here. Okay, just again, I will go and edit this. I will remove this. I will do it again. Just insert image, Control M, or if you are in rich text editor, you can use this one. Insert image. Just choose your file. It's going to be attached to the page.